Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall any program from Windows 11. So before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy methods for uninstalling any program from the Windows 11 machine. Okay, so first of all let's move to the first method. In this method you need to click on the start button. Then click on the search bar, type here your program name. For the example, I want to uninstall this Wondershare Fillmore application. So I need to type it name. Now you can see this application is showing here. So just right click on it. Now bottom of this line, you will see here uninstall option. Just click on it. Then it will redirect you to the app settings. From here find out this program name. As you can see, I have found this program. So here just click on the 3 dots option, then click on the uninstall. After that you will get a message like this. Here just click on yes. After that in the some application you will get question like this. Why you want to uninstall this software? This question might be different in some application. Okay. From here choose any of the reason why you want to uninstall. Then click on continue. Check mark on the box. Then click on remove. Now you can see this application is successfully uninstalled. Now let me show you the second method. In this method, first of all, go to the settings. Then go to the apps section. Now go to the installed app. After that, click on the 3 dots beside of this app, which one you want to uninstall. Then click on the uninstall. Again click on the uninstall. Same way you will get a pop-up message like this. So click on yes. Again click on yes. Then from here, if you want to send any feedback to this application, choose the first option. As I don't want, I'm going to click on the uninstall only. Here click on OK. You can see this application is uninstalled. Now let me show you the third method. Okay, so first of all click on the start button and then search here control panel. After that go to this option. Now from here choose the category option. Now you'll find here the programs option. So here below click on the uninstall a program. After that you will find here your all install application. For the example, I want to uninstall this one. So right click on it. After the same way just click on uninstall. Then click on yes. Again click on yes. Finally, as you can see, this application is uninstalled from my Windows machine. And also shortcut is removed from the desktop. So friend, like this way you can easily uninstall any program from the Windows 11. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.